Richard, she watched the movie na. Sabi niya napanood na raw niya. And she singled out yung dramatic scene ni Enchong at ni Richard. Pareho daw ang galing-galing ninyo.
Okay, thank you very much.
You know what the censor says? This is the best movie of Manapo.
So, sabi ko, si Richard kasi is identified with lighter roles. Di ba? Usually mga romantic comedy ginagawa even on TV. So, parang test case ito for you how good you will be in drama. So, congratulations si Mother Lily Noles and nagustuhan yung acting mo.
Thank you so much, Mother. Thank you.
And for Enchong, I told Mother, he's one of the most underrated actors sa ABS, di ba? I think ang galing-galing mo talaga kasi yung sa movies na
Well, of course, I talked to your handler. Kasi please naman be there kasi we have a parade. Because you have taping, no? And so please coordinate with your handler or manager.
Abo.
Okay.
At sabi ni Mother, gusto raw niya kayo ulit-ulit in future projects and give you lighter roles naman.
Ano po 24?
Tama Mother, si Enchong kanina pa nagpapatawa niya, no? So, in that type, si G naman ang gusto kong tanungin. Kasi meron daw nakakita sa inyo sa Soler na nag-holding hands kayo. So,
Sino po to? Pangalanan natin.
alam namin G.
Ano yung question mo, Kuya Marlon?
So, totoo ba o hindi na you were seen sa casino sa Soler?
Nanonood kami kay Rada ng concert sa Soler Theater. Yeah, so, yun. Ano po yung question?
Oh, ayan, si Ju naman.
Ano
Jo
ba?
Marie, grabe Pinsan ni Rada yata si Jo Marie.
Magpinsan sila? Hindi. No, they're good friends.
Good friends ka lang.
We're good friends also.
Parang
We're good friends.
nautol ka.
Kuya Mario.
Parang walang conviction.
Hindi kasi di ba magkasama kami sa Half Sister for 2 years. Tapos in-invite lang niya ako to watch na Rada's concert. Yung The Big Show with
Between
Escalante,
French
French
Rada.
CD and Rada. So, yun. Kaya kami magkasama nung
Magka-holding hands
nung
daw kayo.
Saturday.
Magka-holding hands daw kayo.
Holding hands na tayo pa. Ano masabi? Oh, ayun.
Thank you.
Wala lang naman, di ba?
Wala lang, di ba? Ayun, isa ko lang.
Hello. Question with yung mga mas younger cast.